Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of December 16 to 20, 2024. On the Green Store, I have continued working on the student registration and approval process. So I'll just do a quick demo for the record. So on the student discount landing page, I have removed the coupon code that is publicly accessible, and we now have Register Now CTA button, which brings users to our registration page with a simple form. So the user has to, or the student has to input the first name, last name, university name, and any valid email, and a picture of their valid ID. Then they have to confirm that they are currently a student with valid ID and acknowledge our privacy policy on handling the information they provide. Then they also have the option to opt in to our promo emails. Then they can submit the registration form. So if there's a submission, managers will receive the email where they can check on the submission and approve or decline the registration. So if the submission is approved, that's the time the submission is processed in the backend and the email is sent to the user with the coupon code. So right now I don't have any email received yet on the email I used to register on the form. So once the manager will approve the registration, so it should bring them to the backend. The status should change from unapproved to approved automatically. So once that's approved, that's the time I'd get the approval email with the coupon code, or declination email if the application is declined. So in this case, the coupon code is still static and can be abused if the approved user shares the code in public. So I'm currently in the middle of improving the process to create the random code and create the WordPress user account automatically and tie that code to that specific user only. So I'm doing that on a staging site so I don't mess up anything on the production side. So I'll work on that this week. And based on our web team meeting, we will limit the coupon code usage to 2 per user. So I'll be implementing that. Right now, it's defaulted to unlimited. So I'll change that. So yeah, I've also updated the flyer. So I've removed the coupon code here and updated the QR code, which will bring the users directly to the registration page when scanned, like so. Yeah, so another thing is we have launched our 30% holiday sale. So 30% off all items. So it's bigger. So it's now live on the site with the same components and elements. And since last week, we have sold a total of 6 items, 2 over the weekend after we launched the 30% off promo. So this is still to be fulfilled by the team. Then I've also made adjustments to the Google Ad campaign, removing all the sold items. Then on the main site, last week we disavowed 57 toxic domains from SEMRush and the Google Search Console. So the total is now at 20,087 domains in our disavow list. Then our 404 URLs on the Google Search Console is down to 333, and we only got 1 toxic link from the new 404 URLs found. Then on the Green Directory, Yasser have made progress on the migration, and I have added the wildcard redirection from /green directory to the subdomain. So yeah, like so. Then if a traffic goes to a listing under /green directory listing /business name, that should also be redirected to the new listing on the subdomain directory. So yeah, also the directory page loads significantly faster. So this is the performance score we're getting even before optimizations or adding a caching plugin or CDN. So that can still be improved. So yeah, we'll continue working with this this week. Then lastly, on the leads generation for business recycling pickup, last week we got 77 new contacts. So there was an issue with mass email scheduled last Monday due to the limit reached. So we made the outreach on Tuesday and Wednesday, where we got delivery rate of 98.7%, average open rate of 15.6%, and average click rate of 5.2%. So I'm still working with Yasser on getting the conversion rate. So yeah, that's it from me. Let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. Thank you.